How to transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So if you want to transfer funds from Scotia Bank, you first have to open up the Scotia Bank app and log into your account. After this is going to be your interface. Now to transfer funds, you have to tap on the transfer icon which is at the bottom of your screen. Now this is going to take you to this page right here. Now there are two options here. The first one is domestic transfer and the second one is international. So if you want to transfer between another bank domestically, then you want to tap on the transfer between accounts option. Once you tap on it, you will have to enter different information. So go ahead and enter your bank informations, like select the account from where you want to transfer the fund to the another account where you want to transfer your fund. After that, enter your amount, then frequency and your date. After this, you have to slide for the next step. Now here you have to confirm your transaction. So scroll all the way down and tap on the finish button to transfer your fund. And once you have confirmed it, your funds will be transferred from Scotia Bank to another bank. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.